Well, I tried and I can't see anything on there. It does say it was made in Medina, New York, which is not far actually where I bought this from the guy. And it just says Robeson Industries. But I believe those are Marco motors. They look like that. Let's do it quick. Some handy dandy tools to do that. So yeah, here's the Robeson. Nice spin down for a plastic bladed fan. I will be right back. I know everybody likes Sears. A Kenmore. I believe someone told me this is from about 1973 or so. This came from an antique shop that I will never have the opportunity of going to again because it is in a very shitty county in a very shitty town that should not exist. So I'm gonna unwrap this cord. So I digress on that garbage. This guy does need to be cleaned. 3-speed. 3-speed, and it's an oscillator, so we'll start her out here on, oh, is it? No, that's right. It's only goes one way. It's high. This thing is quite powerful. It's got plastic blades, otherwise all metal construction. Looks like it is quiet and it moves a lot of air. Actually, from that same antique place, I have a little Grant's Bradford made by Bursted oscillator. Not sure what fan company made this for Sears. And then I do also have another blue bladed fan I'm going to do the next video on. I will do those two. Now this guy's pretty quiet. Like I said, I think it's from around 1973. Some of these were branded as Sears, some as Kenmore. I want to say the older ones were labeled just as Sears. Yeah, this one's got a good spin down on it. It's a little Kenmore.